Alright, here's a little more. It's been non-stop. People delivering. That truck is almost full now. And this is the way it's been since 5:30 this morning. And a lot of people coming out to help. And we just got the EAS warning, another thunderstorm coming through. So hopefully this one won't be as bad.
But it doesn't have to be. So please get screened for colorectal cancer. I did.
The Massachusetts Department of Public Health reminds you that if you are 50 or older, talk to your doctor about colorectal cancer screening.
Well, that do his job.
Call 1